Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am here today to show you some new releases that have gone up in the store over the past week and a half, as well as some that are going up this weekend as soon as I get the listings done. So we're going to start off with some new colorful boxes. So I've got a couple different ones here. So this one is called Winter. I didn't grab all of the sizes of each set because you guys know they come in 6 sizes. I do have one full set in here. But so this is the first one. It's called Winter. The item numbers are 222 to 227, I think. For sizes 1 to 6. They are in the store now. They're in a new section I added to the store last week called New Releases. What else? All right, so that one is in there. That is Winter. This is the next one. This is Candy, and it is also in there. And this is the one that I've got all 6 sizes of printed here. So I will just lay them out and hopefully you'll be able to see them. Obviously, the 4 colors are the same. If you're not new here, you know they come in all of these sizes. If you are new here, welcome. These boxes are designed to match the sizing of the boxes in the Happy Planner Colorful Boxes books, but come in many different colorways. So this one is called Candy. It is also in the store now. Then I've got this one, which is called Rainbow Sherbet, and this is item 234, so it goes up to 239, 240, whatever this plus 5 more is. So this is the Rainbow Sherbet, also in the store. And now we've got some that are not in the store yet. So this set here is called Cozy Day. This one matches a collection that I am working on currently. I've got a couple other products to show you from the collection, and it'll be going up today, which is today we're January 2nd, today and probably tomorrow, and maybe the last one on Monday. Hopefully it'll all be done by the weekend. So this is Cozy Day in the colorful boxes. I am like, this color scheme is everything to me right now for winter. So of course, then if it is a collection, it also comes in a monthly kit format. So here is the A5 wide base spread for this one. I want, you guys know, if you saw my planner setup video, you'll know I made my cover in this design because I am obsessed with it right now. So that is the base spread for the A5 wide monthly, and then there are icons, scripts, and boxes that can be added on. You can get the whole kit at a discounted price, or you can buy them each individually. These two, if you order the base, they do come together like this. So you will always get both, and you can also choose to have it customized with a month or leave it blank so you can use it whenever you feel like it. So that is the A5 wide, and then I do also have the A5 size here, which looks quite similar, but obviously in the smaller format. The icons and script boxes are the exact same as for the A5 wide, and then these boxes and flags to match the sizing for this one. So again, please, I just want all of the things in this pattern. All right, so there you have it. New releases that are in the store now are these 3 sets here, and then these boxes and the monthly kits will be coming later today, Saturday the 2nd again, and budget kits and colorful dots to come. I'm aiming for the end of the weekend. All right, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to check me out over on Instagram and Etsy at A Pretty Planscape. I'll see you all again soon. Bye, friends.